Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year only.
Hey guys, Team Stacy here. Today we're going to be transforming ourselves into Barbie. So first things first, this wig, I did not get to tone it. You guys know I like to tone my 613s, but Barbie has that yellow blonde wig, so that's why we just kept it the color it is. But let's jump into skin prep. So here I'm wiping my face down with the Witch Hazel toner, and then I'm going to moisturize my skin with the Watermelon Glow Recipe Moisturizer, working that all the way into the neck, my girl. And then I'm going to use my e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, just because I want that hydrating look. Today we are using products that was sent to me by Juvias Place. Guys, this is so big for me. I cannot believe we landed a collaboration with Juvias Place. I have been keeping this under wraps for so long, but this was just amazing. They reached out to me to work with them for their Newbie and Barbie collection, and I just had to share that with my YouTube family because, guys, this is so big. If you guys watch any of my videos, you guys know how obsessed I am with Juvia's Place. So thank you so much for Juvia's Place for reaching out to me and just making my dream come true. So here we did go ahead and do our foundation, apply our contour and our concealer, and we're just blending everything out. Guys, you know Barbie, she's just perfect. She's perfect, but if you watch the movie, she's actually not perfect, which is beautiful. Because if you watch the movie, I like the crazy Barbie. I'm not gonna say too much and spoil it for you guys, but yeah, that's literally my favorite movie right now. But anyways, we're blending everything out, making sure everything just looks like butter. As you see in my under eye, I blend out the edges first on my concealer, making sure the edges are nice and blended, and then I'll go back in and blend under my eye until everything is just seamless and smooth. Okay, so yeah, we want to give highlighted, we want to give awake, we want to give fun, we want to give welcome to Barbie's world, period. So now I'm going to go ahead and blend out the contour on my nose, making sure our nose is nice and snatched, because Barbie's nose is nice and snatched. Okay, all right, guys, so next up, we're gonna go ahead and take the Juvia's Place liquid blush. I'm using Pink Lady. No, I'm actually using Barbie Rose and Peach Rose, okay? We're just putting that on my cheeks. Now, you guys know, Juvia's Place liquid blushes are super, super pigmented. Next up, I'm gonna go ahead and blend under my eye, making sure we have no creases. Then I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier setting powder and just set, making sure everything is nice and just locked in place. And then I'm gonna take some excess powder and bake. So today I'm taking the Juvia's Place Sweet Pinks palette. These shades are super duper cute. I was so excited. You guys know I love a natural soft glam. I really don't do too much with my makeup. However, I had to bring the dramatics for Barbie, okay? So first I'm taking this pink shade and I'm just working that all over my crease and a little bit above, blending it out with a fluffy brush that I got from Shein. Just blending it out using circular motions, making sure everything is just nice and it just looks fluffy and airbrushed in a way, okay? Next up, I'm going to take this deep pink here and I'm going to push that into my crease, really packing on the color. One thing about Juvia's Place, they are going to give you pigment, my girl, okay? So we're just packing this into the crease, making sure we have a little bit of definition, okay? So that's the main thing you want to do with your eyeshadows. If you want to build with eyeshadows, you want to take a lighter shade, blend it over your crease, and then take a deeper shade and just kind of deepen inside your crease. So I put a little bit of concealer on my lid and then I looked up to the ceiling. This is what's going to help the lid transfer to above the crease, and that's what's going to give me my guideline onto how to cut my crease. That sounds like a whole mouthful. Hopefully you guys were able to understand what I was saying there, but you guys can always rewatch my videos as many times as you want to, okay? Just so you can understand. So after I cut my crease, I'm going to take that fluffy, dense brush and I'm just going to pat that concealer just to take off any excess concealer before we lay down any eyeshadows. Because if you have too much concealer, it's just going to look weird with the eyeshadows on top. Next up, I'm going to take the Warrior palette from Juvia's Place and I'm just going to take that white shade and pack that on my lid, just covering up that cut crease. And then I'm going to take that pink shade again and we're just going to just kind of smooth that at the edge of our cut crease just so everything looks kind of like fused in together. Then with the pink liner that I got from the beauty supply store, we're just gonna put that on my waterline. And you can take any blue shade. I'm taking the blue shade from the Zulu palette. I would rather you do a matte blue. This was a shimmery blue, so it was hard to kind of show up on camera, but any blue shade and just kind of smoke out your bottom lash line. So my camera, don't know what happened, but I missed a few clips of me adding my diamonds, but of course I had to add my diamonds. These diamonds are actually for nail art, so you can get them from the beauty supply store, but they will be in the nail aisle. But I just find that these diamonds, they have a better shimmer and shine to them. They don't look dull, so that's why I like to use them. But I use lash glue to adhere them, not nail glue or anything else. I use lash glue to adhere my diamonds. So I'm just throwing on my lashes that I got from Shein. These are big dramatic lashes. It looks so cute. Next up, we're just gonna dust off the face. So to dust off my setting powder, I like to use a face powder. I use the MAC Studio Fix face powder, and this is in shade C7, and I just dust it off, making sure my face looks nice and matte. Then Juvia's Place also did go ahead and send me this liner. This is their Luxe lip liner, and this is in shade Brownie. This is really, 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 really beautiful. You guys know my Team Stacey Cosmetics has me in a chokehold, but today we had to give Juvia's Place the shine. This was a beautiful pink shade that they gave me, and then I topped it off with their watermelon lip oil, which smells so freaking good, and it has such a beautiful consistency. So to lock everything in, we're just going to set our face with the Morphe setting spray, guys. I almost drowned myself here, but sometimes when I feel like my makeup looks a little bit too powdery, you just have to use excess setting spray. So this is what the look looks like. It's giving very, very, very much Barbie, okay? This look is super duper gorgeous. I'm absolutely obsessed. I hope you guys recreate this look, especially if you're going to the movie theaters. A lot of people are dressing up in pink, doing their makeup, just dressing as Barbie, and I just love it. I think it's just so beautiful. So yes, guys, if you guys do decide to recreate this look, definitely send it to me on Instagram. I would love to see it, okay? This look is just so freaking gorgeous. I'm absolutely obsessed. I got out of my comfort zone with this one. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, join the team, and just do it like Nike. Give this video a big, big thumbs up. Go ahead and comment below this emoji that's popping up on the screen. That's going to be our secret emoji. That's how I know you watch my videos all the way through. And also, one more thing I do want to say. I'm so interested in doing a chit chat get ready with me with you guys. So in that get ready with me, I'm going to make an email. You guys can send me any type of problems, any questions, any advice you guys need. Send it to that email and I will feature it in my next video. Obviously, I'll keep it anonymous, but I would love to do that with you guys. I would love to just give you guys the Team Stacey, big sister, big captain, you know, my teammates, give you guys some advice on your life, whatever it is, love related, friendships, anything. So yeah, guys, that is the end of the video. Love you guys so much and cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.